morning, friends. Today is the closing day for the NDA crash course. As I am here to apprise you that we had planned only a month's crash course and we started with the bang actually around 12th of March. However, due to pandemic, due to this COVID problem, there was a lockdown, and then everything went off in a different tangent at a different way. And at that point of time, whatever was possible, we tried to do. So, in the initial days, even though the course was doing quite well, but in between, due to various other courses which we began, there was some communication gap and some problems in this India crash course. And then in the last 15 days, we tried to cover up all that syllabus which was not being covered or which was remaining. The aim was that you should get everything. Friends, Apex Careers has always tried to live to the expectations of the students and the parents. You also need to understand that the score of all the students except one, especially those students who have appeared for the exam, has been exceedingly well. As a matter of fact, a few boys have almost got 70%. I am really happy to see the performance of 4-5 students, especially Harshal Bhuge and a few more students. Now, you may think that the exam has been postponed to September. So now we can relax. Friends, please don't relax. You should maintain this tempo. One small little point I would like to say for all these students who are there in this crash course. We will certainly try to organize at the end, maybe last week of August, we will organize at least 4-5 days crash, some kind of ad hoc training, especially for your difficulties, because you need to practice. And we will have every day 3 or 4 hours classes for at least 5 days, wherein you can brush up your difficulties, sort out your problems, and you are able to score more marks than you are even able to score for this exam. Now, one important point I want to announce, friends. We are starting a 2-month crash course commencing on 25th of June. So tentatively it will be 25th June to 25th August. And these 2 months we will finish so that you get a week for your self-preparation. This is for all those students who have not done any course for NDA. And suppose you have already done the course and you are happy and you want to further do a revision, or you want to appear again, you want to try again for this course, then the fees will be bare minimal for you. At a nominal cost, the fees of this online 2 months course, and remember, the course will start on time and will finish in time. The course fees for this course would be 20,000 rupees. One important point is, last 5-6 years we have been charging 25,000. But this course is going to be a purely an online course. No classroom training. It's purely an online course. And the fees, however, we have reduced. Due to this pandemic, there are a lot of financial problems for the people this time. So we have reduced the fees and kept the fees to 20,000. But for all our previous students, ex-students, friends, the fees will only be 10,000. So for all of you, the fees are going to be only 10,000. Okay, friends? So only thing is, if you are keen to do this course, then you must approach me. We will take you at 50% of the fees. Right? Now, as far as some more practice is concerned, we can give you practice tests to those students who are interested. Now it is no use for all the students to be on the group, because what is happening, even this final exam I have seen only 9 students have appeared, 9 or 10 students. What about the other 9 or 10 students? It is shocking. Friends, all have paid the fees, then why have you not appeared for the exam? If you don't appear for the exam, how will your confidence level will go up? So friends, remember, exams are a must. Anyway, not an issue. Even now we have got 2 months to go. Now prepare yourself, and if you are interested to give those tests, you must let me know. For the tests, I will include you. I will make a separate group for that matter at a later stage and give you that test which I am going for our regular batch students, so that you get some test series. I am not going to charge anything for that. It is going to be free of charge. But because I want you all to clear the NDA exam, remember one thing, friends, that the competition is very, very high this time, because there are 2 batches simultaneously appearing for this exam. The April exam appearance, the applicants are going to appear, and the fresh batch of 12th who are supposed to appear for September exam, they will also appear. So therefore, every year there are 5 lakh students appearing for this exam. This time it could be around 7 to 7.5 lakhs. So remember, the competition is going to be very, very tough. So the cutoff marks are going to be high. So you should get minimum 60% marks to clear the written, because only then you will get a call for SSB. Friends, I am also aware that you are all aware that Apex Careers has been doing exceedingly well as far as the SSB interviews preparation is concerned. We have got over 150 students joining NDA straight from Apex. They have all been a part of either 1 month, 4 month, 2 months crash courses, or 11th, 12th NDA batch, and a part of the SSB interviews also. So we have prepared them, they have succeeded, and today we have got more than 400 officers of ours in the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Friends, be a part of the team. Should you have any problem, friends, don't hesitate to call me or to speak to me or send me a message. Or if you have any difficulty, you can always approach Rahul sir or even Praveen sir for that matter. Friends, within a month or so everything will open up. We will be available in the offices. If you have any doubts of 2-3 hours, you can come and discuss. We can sit with you, we can clarify your doubts. But don't go with a different mind or different setup of mind. Be positive. Remember, you can make it, and we are there for you. Joining additional course is not required. I have suggested that in case you want to, then you can join at 50% of the fees. But if you are doing well, it is not at all required. The only thing that is required is your constant practice. Don't be loose now. It's very important to gear up and keep up to the requirements. Okay, friends? Any doubts or anything, after this video, another 10-15 minutes I will be on the mobile, so you can clarify your doubts. If any, I will clarify on the WhatsApp only. So it will be combined for all the class. Suppose you have an individual doubt, you want to clarify it later or even today, you can send a message on my personal WhatsApp message and I will clarify. Any doubts, friends? No? Okay, you can ask your doubts on WhatsApp, and thank you very much, and enjoy and also study hard. Make use of the time of these 2 months and wish you all the best. God bless. Good luck.